how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Cash App. Now there are a few methods of how you can do this. So for the first one, we're going to click on our profile icon here in the top right of Cash App. Then we're going to go to linked banks. Here we'll select link a debit card, and instead we're going to click on no card. This will load up and give us an option to link a bank account instead of a card. So click on continue here, and we want to search for Dasher. After we search for Dasher, you should be able to see this, Dasher Direct, DoorDash, and you want to click on it, and you will input your routing number and all of your other Dasher, DoorDash information, which you can find on the Dasher Direct application. Now that's the first method. If you have a card, if you have a virtual or a physical Dasher Direct card, what we're going to do is, again, we're going to click on our profile icon. We'll go to linked banks, and here this time we'll click on link a debit card. Now it doesn't matter if the card is virtual or physical. You will type out the information here, and then we'll click on link card, and then you should very easily be able to add money here from your Dasher Direct into Cash App. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.